You need lemon. Just cut the lemon into two. Sprinkle the salt on one part. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. So guys, this video is going to help someone. You be the type where no dey fit dey save money. This video go help you. Or you know the person where be say yes, he dey work, he get source of income, but you know dey fit save money. Share this video with the person. And guys, una know say this life no be the way we dey look am, no be so e be o. This life e deep well well. Life no dey easy. We know say things dey cost now, but that one no say make you no save. Mostly we were dey diaspora, we dey pass through a lot. We dey get different kind of attack. So if you dey pass through that kind problem, this video go help you. If you believe, e go work for you, except say you no believe. These two ingredients na two simple ingredients wey you be say you go see for your kitchen, wey be say yes, you go get for your kitchen. You no need to stress yourself. Just go your kitchen, you go see am. All we need for this video, we need sea salt. Sea salt dey very powerful well well. Sea salt dey do a lot of things wey be say yes, some people no know. Even oyibo sef wey dey do spiritual work, dem know the wetin sea salt dey do. You go do your research, go TikTok, ask well about this sea salt. You go know say e dey work. So if you know person wey dey pass through this kind thing, share this video with the person. You dey go work, you dey work, you dey get source of income, but after the month end, you be like who no work. You be like who no work. You go see dey find money. Maybe you collect your salary now, you just buy one or two things. Before you know, the money go be like wetin disappear. Not be your fault. Na spiritual problem. Na spiritual problem. That kind thing, either they put something for the person hand, maybe say if money enter, e no dey stay. So you need to wash your palm. That your hand wey you take dey touch money, you need to wash am. Now wetin you take wash am, na be this one. So now I wan share with you. This thing go don happen to a lot of people. You need salt, sea salt. No use ordinary salt. Sea salt. Sea salt dey very powerful well well. Sometimes if you carry new house, you no know first stay that house, use sea salt, put am for water, take mop the house. You need lime or lemon. You fit use anyone for the two. Just carry salt, cut the lemon into two. Carry salt, sprinkle am inside one part. Use am take scrub your palm. Pray. You know the kind prayer wey you will pray for yourself. You know wetin you dey find. God, as I use this lemon, this lime and salt take scrub my hand, I scrub all the bad luck. Anything where they collect money for my hand, I scrub am away. I wash am away. Do this thing for complete 7 days. May you come thank me later. You go come thank me. This thing work for me. So now make I say okay, make I come share am with you now. If you believe, you go work. If you say you be person where no dey believe, this one not be bad thing. Now just normal thing where we say yes, we take the eat na. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.